Ekadashi isn't just a day of fasting. It's a moment when the universe listens and energies align, and a secret buried beneath the sea begins to stir. Every month, millions observe this day, believing it purifies the soul and sharpens the spirit. But only a few know the truth behind it or what it's connected to. Because deep beneath the waters of Gujarat's coast lies a mystery, a city built with divine architect, and its fate sealed on the very same rhythm as Ekadashi. Welcome to The Unknown, where we peel back the layers of India's greatest mysteries. Today, we'll be diving into the forgotten connection between a divine city and a ritual millions follow. The kingdom of Krishna, described in ancient texts as celestial city, shimmering with gold, silver, and a divine energy. A city that defied human limits and then vanished, not gradually, suddenly. The sea rose and swallowed it whole. For centuries, people dismissed it as legend. Until 2001, when ruins were discovered on Gujarat's coast. Pillars, foundations, urban planning too advanced for its time. What if Dwarka didn't drown by accident? What if it was scheduled intentionally for a cosmic schedule? You see, Ekadashi isn't random. It falls on a specific lunar phases, points when gravitational pull of the moon interacts with the earth's water and perhaps something deeper in us. Because Ekadashi wasn't just left behind to honor the past, it was designed to protect the future. Some scholars now believe the fall of Dwarka isn't a loss, it was a lock. And fasting on Ekadashi is more than a tradition, it's how we keep that lock from opening. Think about it, a city built by God, destroyed the moment he left, on a day still observed by millions, exactly when the stars align. This isn't mythology, this is mechanism. So when you fast on this Ekadashi, ask yourself, are you purifying your soul or practicing in a forgotten system far more ancient and precious than we ever realized? Dwarka, Ekadashi, Krishna. Not separate stories, but pieces of design. Some mysteries aren't meant to be solved, they are meant to be remembered. Until then, stay curious and stay unknown.